In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkbox optional in Docusign. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, making a checkbox optional can enhance your document's flexibility and improve your workflow. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get you on track. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures, making the process of signing official documents easier and more efficient. Once you're on the home page, your next move is simple. Click on the Login button. It's usually positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. If you're already a registered user, log in with your credentials. For new users, you'll need to sign up beforehand. Once logged in, head over to the Docusign homepage by clicking on the respective tab or link. This page is your control center where you can manage all your documents and templates. Now you'll want to select a template. If you're not sure what a template is, think of it as a preset document format that you can customize as needed. Selecting a template gets you started quickly and ensures consistency across your documents. Once you've picked out your template, it's time to prepare it by adding necessary details. These details include information like recipient's name, email address, and other relevant fields that are vital for your document. After populating the document with details, click on the Next button to proceed. Now you'll reach a crucial step, adding the checkbox to your document. To do this, simply click on the Checkbox tool. You'll find it among other form field options. Once you click it, a checkbox will appear on your document, which you can drag and place wherever you need it. The next step is to adjust the checkbox settings by making it optional. Click on the checkbox itself, and you should see a panel or menu that includes various settings. Click on the validation options. This menu allows you to control how the checkbox will behave for the end user. To make the checkbox optional, you'll want to look for an option labeled Select at Least, or something similar. Click it and then ensure that the field requiring a selection is either unchecked or set to 0. This setting ensures that the recipient can choose whether or not to tick the checkbox when they are signing the document. By following these steps, you can easily make checkboxes optional in your Docusign documents, allowing greater flexibility for your signers. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how your documents are received and processed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check our other Docusign guides for more tips and tricks. Happy signing!